Ryan Breton joins us with our steamy forecast. I was chatting with Ryan this morning. Mid-morning, I thought to myself, where's that wind and the breeze that we had been talking about for the last 6 weeks? All of a sudden today, the heat's here and it was just still.
And then after that, it picked up a little bit.
Thankfully, some relief.
Stirred the air a little bit, but this morning in that in between, it felt
stifling.
stagnant.
Yes.
And I had mentioned before, I didn't go anywhere on vacation this winter, to a warm weather destination.
Which is usually a nice breather.
Right. So this is my first experience since last August with these temperatures, and I'm sure a lot of you can understand too. Today, impressive 92 the high in Portland. June 10th is our average first 90-degree day in Portland. So we're way ahead of that, and we just hit 80 for the first time this year back on Sunday, which was right around the typical time, maybe slightly delayed. If you're wondering about any storms, they are in New England, but not in northern New England. We have a lot of storms that have fired up in the last hour and a half or so in southern New England. There are some warnings there, but for us, we just haven't produced any here. You can see all the lightning in the last hour. An hour ago, this was at about 60 strikes. Now it's at nearly 300 down there. The closest storms we've had have been on the seacoast of New Hampshire. If you're in Kittery or Elliott, you might be able to hear the thunder and a little rain getting to about Kittery Point, but that's about it. East and north, a few little showers, but there's no lightning in these. A quick downpour moving from about Sullivan to Bar Harbor right now. You can see the skies are clearing off to the west, so once this all goes by, our storm threat for this evening will be over. It's just going to be a warm, muggy night till we wait on that cold front that arrives tomorrow. It's going to be muggy much of the day tomorrow, but by about this time in the evening, the air is going to start drying out, and it'll send us much more comfortable air for Thursday and Friday. So overnight, we don't cool off much. This is 6 in the morning. Could be a little patchy fog around Penobscot Bay and down east. Temps warm quickly tomorrow with lots of sunshine through the morning. It's about noon to 4 p.m. that a quick shower or thunderstorm could pop up, but I don't think there's going to be a ton out there tomorrow either. So we make a run again up close to 90. Then tomorrow night, cooler air starts moving in, and look at the numbers Thursday morning. 30s up north, 40s for most everyone else as this Canadian area of high pressure builds right in. And it's over us Friday morning, and that means temps could be in the 30s in many spots with patches of frost Friday morning. Nights in the afternoon back to the mid and upper 60s. Over the weekend, the question for our forecast continues to be, will this high hang on and hold rain to our south? And the trends are better. We think Saturday is dry, and there's just a chance a shower gets into southern Maine on Sunday as we see it right now. Seas tomorrow, 3 to 5 feet, southwesterly winds 10 to 20 knots on the water. So there's your last hot day for this stretch of weather, upper 80s to around 90 tomorrow. Sunshine's back for Thursday and Friday. We think Saturday is probably the pick of the 3-day holiday weekend, but Sunday's forecast could trend drier. We're leaving a shower in there now for southern Maine, but some of our data is looking a little bit more promising today. Not so sure about Monday, though. I think showers are more likely on that day. But as long as we can get part of the weekend in dry, I think people will be happy for their plans.
Yeah, I think so. Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.